Hey guys, David Patrick Green here, hackhollywood.com. And today I just want to give you a really short video about how to create the perfect acting resume. So the first thing you need to keep in mind is to keep it short. Keep the whole thing on one page, preferably half a page if you haven't done a lot of professional work. I've noticed a lot of people list every single student film they have done, and it looks really impressive, and then people try to look through it and they don't recognize anything or anyone on it. And then you kind of go, okay, is this even real, or how good is it, etc. Okay, so that would be the first thing, is to keep it very short. Now, with what to put on it, what you want to do, and this applies to communications in life in general, you only want to give them the information that you believe they need to get interested in you enough to bring you in, okay? They don't need to know your life story. They don't need to know every single data point about you. Keep it simple. Keep it to your name. The best ways to contact you, so phone number and email. Then your union status, if you are in a union. A couple of credits, ideally not necessarily in chronological order, but in the order at which you believe that they will be impressed. Okay, so my thing is having a tough time finding my face today. So yeah, just whatever sounds relevant to the person that you're trying to impress. So I suggest you personalize every single thing that you send out there, whether it's a resume, a cover letter, or what have you. Nobody really cares about what the chronology of your life is, because that's not going to help them, right? So if you can do that, and then skip the special skills. In particular, I would skip special skills, because people put a lot of special skills on their resumes, and unless you know there's a skill involved in a project you're interested in, and that's the reason why you're sending this person your resume, what do they care that you can play tennis, ride a horse, speak 50 languages, whistle through your nose, and hop on one foot for an hour, right? It's not relevant. So you want to, every time you send out your resume, you want to tailor it to the person you're sending it to. Now, I know that may sound like a lot of work, and it may sound like, well, that's not the point of a resume. It should just have everything, and then it's easy for me. Well, it's not about making things easy for you. It's about making things easy for the person that's going to bring you in, okay? So if you take the time to tailor things, first of all, you won't have the time to just submit yourself to everything, because you are tailoring things. But the person on the receiving end will feel like this is custom made just for them, and they will be much more likely to look at it carefully and see that this is a great fit for them and their project. All right, guys, that's it. Keep it simple, under a page, no special skills, a few credits, basic info like hair color, but that's going to be pretty obvious anyway. And ideally, you are going to have a similar hairstyle, and it's going to be within a couple years of your age as well. But other than that would be, if you have a picture on your resume. But you don't need to put your birth date. That's irrelevant. Age is irrelevant. Just the contact method, whether it's through you directly or through your agent. But your agent is going to have certain opinions about this stuff. Of course, they always do. But people only have opinions when you ask for them. So I would just do it the way you want to do it, and because it's easier to beg for forgiveness than ask for permission. As soon as you ask for permission, then somebody else is going to have to think about it. And of course, anything that becomes perceived as a risk to them is going to scare them. All right, that's it for now, guys. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, put them in the comment section below. And please like and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for more videos like this. And I will talk to you soon.